Welcome to Dolce Frutti, your destination for the finest organic fruits, straight from the heart of Coachella Valley. We believe in growing nature's best, using methods that are good for both the planet and your health.
Meet our Barhi Dates, nature's golden gems. Grown with love and care at Dolce Frutti, these dates have smooth, delicate skin and a plump, round shape. As they ripen into the rich amber rhubarb stage, their soft, creamy flesh offers a luxurious caramel-like sweetness, perfect for cookies, cakes, and breads.
Barhi dates are a powerhouse of nutrients. They can help lower cholesterol, strengthen bones, and are rich in carotenoids, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, antioxidants that support brain, gut, and heart health.
Our Barhi dates are harvested from late summer to early fall. We enrich the soil with organic manure and potassium-rich biofertilizers and protect the dates with bags to shield them from pests. At Dolce Frutti, we maintain sustainability from the farm to the packaging house, ensuring that every date is of exceptional quality.
Available in 1 pound to 5 pounds, 8 pounds, 16 pounds boxes in eco-friendly packaging, our Barhi dates cater to every need. Whether you want a quick snack or a special gift, Dolce Frutti has you covered.
We offer free shipping on all orders, with delivery within 1 to 2 business days across the U.S., ensuring your Barhi dates arrive fresh and ready to enjoy.
Don't wait to experience the melt-in-your-mouth sweetness of our organic Barhi dates. Visit dolcefrutti.com or find us on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok Shop. Order now for fresh delivery straight to your door.